Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to make soft donuts. So keep watching. You need to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk because we just need only the egg yolk. Add 1 egg yolk, 1/4 cups of milk, 20 grams of melted butter and 20 grams of sugar. So you need 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Add 150 grams of flour. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to see more of those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn notification for weekly updates. So you might need to add extra milk depending on how your flour absorbs water. Apply some oil on the work surface. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply some oil to the bowl and place the dough in it. Then cover it and keep it in a warm place to rise for 1 to 2 hours. Cut out some piece of parchment paper to place the donut on it. It helps you to handle the dough easily. After an hour and 30 minutes, the dough has doubled in size, so pinch out the excess air. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface, then roll out the dough. If you have a donut cutter, use it, but if you don't, get a glass cup and a tiny cover and use it. Place the donut on the tray and cover it for 30 minutes. Preheat the oil on low heat. Once the oil starts creating bubbles, then place the donut in it and fry it. If you have a thermometer, once it reaches 160 degrees, it is ready for frying. So you don't want these donuts to get burnt, make sure you are nearby to flip it over. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment. Place it on a paper towel. If you want to sprinkle some sugar on it, you can.